You definitely have to have empathy and compassion, but you also have to be very passionate about it, wanting to help and serve others. What I think is really cool about social work is we get to work in all kinds of settings. So our degree allows us to work in a school, allows us to work, now they're having police, having social workers, hospitals, nursing homes. So there's a wide variety of settings you can work in. Also, you don't have to work directly with people to be in social work. You can work at, so the micro level is working individually with people. Then there's the meso level, so you're looking at a larger group of people and maybe trying to do something for a larger group. And then there's the macro level where you're looking at systems and trying to improve systems so people can get services. So that's what I love about it, is there's a variety and flexibility and so many different roles that you can take. Even corporations are hiring social workers now to help build wellness and mental health programs. It wasn't an exact moment, it was just this natural feeling and natural fit because of the family that I grew up in. Like I said, everyone in my family was involved in charities and organizations to advocate for others and help people in need. So it just felt like so natural when I got to college and started taking classes in psychology. As social workers, we are huge advocates for underserved populations. We are champions for people that maybe can't be a champion for themselves. So I feel like a large part of being a social worker is advocating for rights and social justice, and besides the individual needs of people. I also feel like we have a lot of training in crisis. So we are used in all different situations. Even if you are like in a school, you get called out to other situations to help with crises because you are so trained in that. I think the other one that we're really good at as social workers is resources. We have resources galore to help people, and so people will often come to us, especially in the school setting. I'll have teachers come to me, school counselors, hey, there's a need, can you help get this family linked up? So I think those three for me are like the main parts of being a social worker that can be used in all different areas. I was a special education school social worker for many years, and then in the past couple of years, they've transferred our positions to be special ed and general ed because of course there's a need. And so it's been great being able to work with both populations and also helping kind of catch some of those kids that have maybe fallen through the cracks that need more support in the school for special education. So now that I get to work with the whole population, I can see some of those kids that maybe need services that weren't identified before.